Take two. Well, let's see. That sounds pretty empty. I guess I could throw that away. Almost made it. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, I don't know. I might get some use out of that. But, oh, hey, friend. How are you doing? I'm glad you could make it over. I'm in the middle of cleaning off my workbench. It's a mess, and so is the garage. I got stuff left over from projects from 2 years ago. It's time to clean house. And I got too much stuff. I mean, look at this. I got a bowling pin. I got a baseball. I got a birdhouse. I got a banana. I got a sledgehammer. Oh, that's not junk. That's a tool. I better put that away. I got all kinds of tape. I even got a board with a knot hole in it. That might come in useful. I got some beads, a helicopter. Huh. I wonder why I still got this. I thought I put this back a long time ago. Oh well. I've just got too much stuff. Friends, are you like me? Do you got too much junk, too much stuff, too much garbage? Your garage is cluttered, your junk drawers are cluttered. I got a solution for you. I'm cleaning out my drawers. My junk drawers, that is. Let me show you what I mean. For example, take a look at this. This little doodad. You know what this is? This is a solar light that you put out by your sidewalk so you can see when you're walking at night and you don't have to plug it in. It all has to do with photosynthesis or something like that. So what I did, you take that cap off and looky here. You can put in one of these little screw top tubes. You see that right there? You can drop that right in there. Put that cap back on. And you can find a good spot to hide this along any sidewalk, by the bushes, whatever you want. And you can use this for a junk drawer hide. Another thing I found in my junk drawer was this here old electrical box. You can put a little pill bottle and you can use that for a junk drawer to hide. Now I was looking through my toy junk drawer and I come across this little beauty right here. That is the Mystery Machine of Scooby-Doo. Now I think I got this when I was about 12 years old, and it came with some candies in it or some Scooby snacks, and I add them all up, but now it's hollow inside, except you can open up the back and look at that. This pill bottle fits right into the Mystery Machine, and that's fun and creative, and you'll get a lot of favorite points just because of those meddling kids and their dog. But wait, there's more. If that weren't enough, check this one out. This is an old raccoon skull. I found it out in the woods when I was out hunting, and I brought it home. I painted it up black. Lo and behold, one of those little tube with a little log sheet you screw the top on. I have one of these hides just like this up in the cemetery. That's right. You got some favorite points. What am I doing with a raccoon skull in my junk drawer? That's for me to know and you to never find out. I think I got this one from Mr. Hailmeister. He gave it to me for my birthday. Right here. You know what that is? That's an old water sprayer hose thing for watering your grass or spraying your grandkids or spraying the neighbor's dog. Look at this. He put a whiz bang on there. Now it's a Jill catch. Easy peasy. Water squeezy. And you got yourself a really nice water sprinkler hide right here. But all of this is just talking in the workshop and looking at stuff. Let's go out and see what it actually looks like out in the wild. Alright friends, I'm right here at the site of one of my junk drawer hides, and this one is called Take a Deep Breath. Let's take a look at this junk drawer container. Let's check this out. There it is. And here it is, folks. It's an old inhaler container that I used when I had bronchitis. And this one again is called Take a Deep Breath, and partly because of the inhaler, but also because it's across from a smelly old dairy farm. Let's put her back and let's go find another junk drawer hide. Okay friends, I'm here at the site of another junk drawer geocache, and it's right over here. See that electric pole? It's right there. This one is called Use Grounded. So here it is. It's right there. Now it looks like just a regular preform tube, right? Well, the junk drawer part is right here. This is an electrical ground that they put on a pipe, and this was in my junk drawer. So I put that around a piece of PVC, put in the preform, there you got it. Not every junk drawer geocache has to be the container. I went through my drawer, you know, you got all those little tidbits like lost marbles and loose screws and other things like that. I dug them all out and I made a puzzle. I put out a multi-cache and I used all those tidbits in a jar to make a puzzle. And this one is called, what is it called? And I called it Multi-Junk Piece Puzzler. Take a look at the stuff that I used in this puzzle cache. Look at all the stuff in there. All the stuff from my junk drawer. All the tidbits from my junk drawer in there. Little pieces of dice, little plastic numbers that had magnets and paper clips and all kinds of good stuff. For the puzzle, you have to count things and you got to know what certain things are. Then you get the coordinates to the final container. And that is also a junk drawer cache. All right, folks, this is the last one I'm going to show you. This one is called Falling Through the Cracks. So right here we have this concrete thing going down. There's a tube under me. There's a creek here. And we got weeds growing up and everything. And here's my geocache. This one falling through the cracks. I got a bison tube and it is bolted onto this fake grass that you put in an aquarium. Left over from when I had my piranhas. I had to get rid of them once they started chewing on my fingers. They're a hard fish to pet. So this one just slides right down into the crack there. And there's the grass. This one has fooled many people. Well, folks, there it is. Junk drawer caches made with the stuff you find in your junk drawers. All this talk about junk drawer hides, I'm going to challenge my friend Mr. Hailmeister. Well, that was a pretty good catch there, Mr. Hailmeister.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. Say, speaking of catches and creative catches, you know that I have a series of Bob Billy's junk drawer geocaches, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. I would like to challenge you to make a creative geocache out of something out of my junk drawer.
Okay.
Here it is right here. But my challenge is to make a creative geocache out of this and to place it out in the wild, and then I'll come and find it.
Okay. I got a question though.
All right?
How come you keep giving me your junk out of your junk drawers and stuff and make geocaches out of it?
Because you're more creative than I am.
Oh, okay. Well, that's fine.
All right. Challenge accepted?
Yep.
All right. Well, let's go get some donuts.
All right.
All right, now that Mr. Hailmeister is challenged, I'm challenging you too. And here's a contest for you. You can win 1 free year of premium membership to geocaching.com if you win this contest. I want you to find a piece of junk, a good piece of junk in your junk drawer or in your bench, and I want you to make a creative geocache hide. I want you to take some photographs and some video, and I want you to email them to me right here at this email address. And when I get them all done, I'm going to look through them all and I'm going to choose my favorite, and you're going to win 1 year of geocaching.com premium membership. How long do you got, you say? Tell you what, I'll give you to the end of summer to get her done. August 31st is the cutoff date. August 31, 2023, midnight. Don't get me wrong, midnight. Get them in if you want to win that 1 year of free premium membership. What are you waiting for? Get off the couch, get out there and make a good geocache.